Sony has today formally announced its latest flagship true wireless earbuds. The new Wf-1000Xm4 earbuds cost $279.99, and the previous Wf-1000Xm3s, released in 2019, will remain in the company's lineup at $229.99. The new headphones will be available in either black or light gray, both with gold accenting. They're available starting today from retailers including Amazon and Best Buy. Featuring a completely revamped design that's 10% smaller than their predecessors, the 1000Xm4 buds also have a new processing chip that results in improved noise cancellation at all frequencies, according to Sony. Battery life has been up to 8 hours of continuous playback when NC is enabled, which soundly beats competitors like the Apple AirPods Pro, Bose QuietComfort Earbuds, and Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. The charging case has been significantly downsized and is 40% smaller than before. Aside from plugging in over USB-C, it also supports Qi wireless charging. Sony has also addressed a disappointing omission from the 1000Xm3s. These new earbuds are rated IPX4 for water and sweat resistance. The 1000Xm4s also have an updated voice call system that uses both beamforming mics and bone conduction sensors to improve performance. But here's the one standout disappointment: there's still no support for multipoint Bluetooth connections. Sony first released its Wf-1000Xm3 earbuds nearly 2 years ago, and though they offered some of the best noise cancellation and sound quality you could find at that time, a lot has changed since. Facing newer competitors like Apple's AirPods Pro and Bose's QuietComfort Earbuds at the high end, and countless plenty good alternatives below, Sony has returned with the new $279.99 Wf-1000Xm4 earbuds. Good stuff. Best noise cancellation in true wireless earbuds. Excellent, detailed sound. New leader in battery life among competition. Bad stuff. Equals. No Bluetooth multipoint. Microphone performance could still be better. Only 3 sizes of ear tips included. If you want the absolute best active noise cancellation in truly wireless earbuds, the answer is an emphatic yes. Sony has built a new chip it calls the V1 into the 1000Xm4s that brings their noise cancellation capabilities to impressive new heights. These earbuds do a better job than the AirPods Pro and even slightly outperform Bose's QuietComfort Earbuds at hushing nearby noise. It's now reached a point where the NC on these feels nearly as effective as Sony's premium headphones. Impressive stuff.